Sneaker bots have recently taken over the resale market. They can cop in under 5 seconds, and one bot can cop over 1,000 pairs of shoes from just a couple sites. Their impact has absolutely been magnified in the past couple of months because sites as Supreme, Adidas, and Yeezy Supply have kind of loosened up on their bot protection, allowing bots to cop even quicker and just copying a lot more. Sites such as Nike have a lot better bot protection, and this shows because Nike is a lot easier for the regular person to buy on compared to Adidas, where you have to have 30 users if you're a manual user to cop even one pair of a shoe. The sites that get mostly dominated by bots are Foot Locker and the other foot sites. These sites allow bots to check out thousands of pairs in just an hour maybe, allowing users of these bots to make thousands of dollars. Recently, the Yeezy Alva was absolutely destroyed by the bots. Splashforce, which is one of the most popular bots, had over 7,000 checkouts of just the Yeezy Alva on Yeezy Supply and Adidas. Supreme, which is also known for having some of the weirdest bot protection in all of clothing or sneakers, had 17,000 checkouts of the Motion logo hoodie in their recent drop. This is insane because sometimes Supreme will absolutely ban bots and there will be no way to check out if you have a bot. All of these examples show how valuable even one bot can be to a sneaker reseller. One YouTuber, BotterBoyNova, has even started his own career off these bots. He has over 100,000 YouTube subscribers and has quit his day job to become a full-time sneaker reseller and YouTuber. Some of these bots even have very quick sellout time, and some of them even resell on the secondary market. One site has started for selling bots. It is the botbroker.io. The bot broker works similar to how StockX does. A seller can place an ask for a bot, and a buyer can place a bid for a bot. When they're at the same price, it sells. Or the buyer can go to the ask and buy from the ask, or the seller can go to the bid and sell to the bid. StockX and the bot broker have one key difference. Bot broker is actually partnered with the bots, allowing the bots to make money every time their bot resells on the secondary market. This allows the bot companies to make their bots really limited and then just keep on reaping in money as the bot resells on the secondary market. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and if you want to cop any of these bots, join the Discord. We got methods, we've got bot restocks, we've got Supreme resale estimates, we've got everything on there. Just join the Discord. You probably won't regret it. I don't really know. If you don't want to make free money, then don't join the Discord.